Check it out, folks. Inside of some rocky cliffs here. Bit of debris. I spotted this over here. Looks like an insulator. And right down below it is a marble. Marble number 11. Let's pick that up first. I don't think it's a real old one, but it's a marble nonetheless. Put that in my pocket. Let's dig this here out. Okay, it's just a broken shard. Would have been nice though, nice color. Put that back in there where I found it. There you go. Alright, let's see what else we can pull out of the woods here. Hey folks, I've been digging away here. Didn't think I was going to find anything. Seems to be all in the 30s or 40s stuff here. But look what I just pulled out. It's a blown bottle. Seam ends right here on the neck. And it's a dark green. It's almost, it looks black. Can't see any light here. That's awesome. Other than that, all I found is a couple Vicks Victrinol bottles. I'm liking this. Right on. Get back at you if I find anything else. There you go. Check that guy out. Yep. Oh man. Dig it. Anybody know what this bottle here might be? I thought it was like a maple syrup or something until I took a quick look at it. It's embossed around the shoulder with some weird letters and symbols, and the same down around the bottom of it here. They don't seem to spell anything, like they don't seem to be real letters. Anyway, I'm gonna clean it up and see if I can find anything out about it. Okay, here we go, folks. This looks like a decent find. Check out the shape. Got a little handle on it, a little spout for pouring, and it's embossed. Perfect products. Perfect products, please. Well, looks like something down at the bottom too here. Let's check it out once we get it cleaned up. Registered, right? Design registered. It's all little panels all the way around it. Cool find. Alright, catch you later. A little ribbed amber one just rolled out. Obviously a medicinal bottle. Probably ribbed to indicate poison. Embossed 2 ounce up on the shoulder here. The screw top. Anyways, I'll take it. Right on. Catch you on the next one. Alright, back with the cleanup here. I couldn't find much of anything online about any of this stuff, so that kinda was a downer, but let's start with this anyways. It's all cleaned up. It's a cruet and it says perfect products please. And perfect's in quotation marks up around the shoulder. And down here it says design registered down at the bottom. But on the very bottom there's absolutely no markings at all. It's a nice bottle though. Same with this one here. Got all these symbols up around the shoulder area and down around the bottom. No idea what it is. Couldn't find anything online about it. It's consumer glass mark on the bottom. Got two inks. This one here is a Carter's. They're both screw top. It says Carter's on the bottom. This here is a medicine bottle, 2 ounce. I believe that was a 1946. This is a squib, embossed on both sides on the shoulder. Dominion glass, 1948. That was a drug company too. This one here, it's got UD Company on the bottom. That's United Drug Company, and they existed between 1910 and 1930, so that's going to be somewhere in there. This one here is embossed up around the shoulder, content 16 fluid ounces. I found 2 of these. The other one's soaking, they're not cleaning up real well, but the date on the bottom is 1930. Registered 1930 there. This beauty here, nice blown bottle. It's a dark green color, looks black, and it's just shining. That's a great find there. We got marble number 12. In the video I said number 11, but it's actually number 12. There's it's not real special, but hey, it's alright. I'll take it. I'll put it in the marble jar, number 12. Number 12 for 2019. This here is just a glass wand. The rubber squeezer's gone off the end of it. That was in one of these Vicks Vatronol bottles. That's actually like a sinus spray type deal. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck, happy hunting on your adventures, and we'll see you all in the next one.